If you own a self-storage facility, you are probably drowning in a sea of tenant complaints, gate code issues, fluctuating competitor rates, and vendor invoices. It feels like your brain is constantly at maximum capacity. But what if you could offload all of that context into a perfectly organized digital brain that never forgets a detail? Today, I'm going to show you a system the top AI founders use and apply it directly to your self-storage business. I'm going to walk you step by step through building an AI-powered second brain. This system will track your property data, manage your decisions, and save you days of administrative busy work. Let's dive in. Step 1, go pro. If you are using the free version of ChatGPT or Claude to run $1 million commercial real estate asset, you are doing it wrong. Upgrade to a paid professional account right now. You need the speed and the power. Step 2, install the brain. Your AI needs a permanent home to read and store information. There's a free tool I recommend called Obsidian. It saves everything in simple text files that AI can easily read, and it has a visual graph view that links information together exactly like a real human brain. Download it, and let's move to step 3. Step 3. Give your brain an identity. If you don't do this, your AI will sound like a generic robot. You need to create 3 specific files in Obsidian to turn it into your ultimate facility manager. The user.md file. This is who you are. Tell the AI, I am a self-storage owner focused on maximizing ROI, maintaining 90% plus occupancy, and minimizing operational headaches. The soul.md file. This is how the AI should act. Tell it, be direct, focus on numbers, and challenge my pricing strategies. No fluff. The identity.md file, give it a name and a role. For example, your name is Vault. You are my chief property officer and data analyst. Step 4, wire the brain. If you don't organize the information, your AI will hallucinate and make mistakes. You'll set up 7 core folders. Here's exactly how to adapt them for self-storage. People, keep files on your facility managers, your key commercial tenants, and your maintenance vendors, like your gate repair guy. Projects, track ongoing facility upgrades like installing new security cameras or paving the driveways. Decisions, log why you raised rates by 5% last quarter and what the outcome was. Companies, track your local competitors, Extra Space, Public Storage, or the mom and pop down the road. Log their current rates and move-in specials. Meetings, summarize your weekly check-ins with your on-site managers. Daily, a daily log of move-ins, move-outs, and maintenance tickets. Knowledge, store your state's auction laws, your standard operating procedures, and your lease agreements here. Step 5, feed the brain. You don't want to dump raw, messy data into these folders. You only want to feed it synthesized information. For example, when you have your weekly phone call with your property manager, use an AI transcription tool to listen in. Then, prompt the AI to extract only the key information. What decisions were made? What units need maintenance? Are there any tenants at risk of default? Take that clean summary and drop it straight into your meetings folder. Step 6, compound the brain. This is where the magic happens. Just like your real brain synthesizes information while you sleep, your AI brain needs to organize itself overnight. Every night, you or an automated script will prompt the AI to read your Obsidian vault. Tell it to connect the dots. For instance, the AI might realize that the same gate repair vendor mentioned in your meetings folder has been called 3 times this month in your daily logs. By morning, your AI brain has linked this data together, giving you the deep context you need to realize it's time to fire that vendor and hire a new one. By setting up this AI digital brain, you aren't just storing files. You are creating an autonomous assistant that knows your self-storage business inside and out. It knows your competitors, it knows your tenants, and it knows your goals. If you want more tips on how to automate your self-storage facility and increase your net operating income, make sure to hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what is the most annoying daily task at your facility that you want this AI brain to take over? See you in the next video.